Self-assembling 3D battery would charge in seconds. A cross-campus collaboration led by Ulrich Wissner, professor of engineering at Cornell University, addresses this demand with a novel energy storage device architecture that has the potential for lightning-quick charges. The group's idea, instead of having the battery's anode and cathode on either side of a non-conducting separator, intertwine the components in a self-assembling 3D gyroidal structure with thousands of nanoscale poles filled with the element necessary for energy storage and delivery. The architecture for this concept is based on block copolymer self-assembly, which the Wissner group has employed for years in other devices. The gyroidal thin films of carbon, the battery's anode generated by block copolymer self-assembly, featured thousands of periodic pores on the order of 40 nanometer wide. These pores were then coated with a 10 nanometer thick electronically insulating but ion conducting separator through electropolymerization, which by the very nature of the process produce a pinhole free separation layer. That's vital, since defects like hole in the separator are what can lead to catastrophic failure, giving rise to fires in mobile devices such as cell phone and laptop. The next step is the addition of cathode material, in this case sulfur, in an amount that doesn't quite fill the remainder of the pores. Since sulfur can accept electron but doesn't conduct electricity, the final step is backfilling with an electronically conducting polymer known as P dot. While this architecture offers proofs of concept, Wissner said it is not without challenges. Volume changes during discharging and charging the battery gradually degrade the P dot charge collector, which doesn't experience the volume expansion that sulfur does. When the sulfur expands, have these little bits of polymer that get ripped apart and then it doesn't reconnect when it shrinks again. This means there are pieces of the 3D battery that you will then cannot access. The group is still perfecting this technique but applied for patent protection on the proof of concept work.